Solve 1/2 x minus 3/5 equals 2/5. To begin this problem, we're going to add 3/5 to both sides of the equation. So we have 1/2 x minus 3/5 plus 3/5 is equal to 2/5 plus 3/5. Of course, on the left-hand side, they sum to 0, negative 3/5 plus positive 3/5. So we have 1/2 x. That's equal to, since the denominators are already the same, we add the numerators. 2 plus 3 is 5 over 5, or 5/5. Now, of course, we want to simplify 5/5. That's simply equal to 1. So we have 1/2 x equals 1. Now what we need to do is multiply both sides by the 2. So we have 2 times 1/2 x equals 2 times 1. We know that we can divide each of those by 2, leaving us with 1x, or in other words, plain old x. And of course, 2 times 1 is 2. So the solution is 2.